When I got the new diesel heater, one of these screws was loose. I had to completely take the cover off. Now I'm doing it again, the fuel pump. But look at these screws here. These are straight out of the factory. Those two are loose. This one's loose. I wonder if it's been taken apart. I've contacted the seller. I haven't received an answer yet, but the fuel pump's not starting. Took the cover off. This plug into the fuel pump was disconnected. So I'm wondering if somebody's been in this. That's what I said. These screws have been loose. This is unusual. Why were these screws? Is it from bouncing around, from being shipped? Looks like it got dropped. That inner thing is bent and these are pulled out, so obviously this diesel heater is damaged. I got the diesel heater running. Ends up it was damaged in shipping. When I first got it, the handle screw was loose and the nut and bolt fell down inside. I put it all back together and then the fuel pump wouldn't run. So I took it apart again, 12 screws approximately. And the fuel pump was unplugged, so it either got damaged in shipping or had never been plugged in. But you see it's running, it's putting out heat. This is a 5 kilowatt, but it's plenty. I've got the fuel pump set on high because I wanted to bleed the air out. Their procedure, push 2 buttons, didn't get the fuel pump to start, so I just ran it through a couple cycles. I don't have a toggle switch yet, but I got a fuse on it. So it's working. Blowing out good heat. So the installation of the diesel heater replacing the propane RV furnace is a success finally. I'm not totally finished, but it's running.